It's a good morning to you. This is a radical farmer here at Organic Farm 7, and I'm here to share with you how you can make pesticides using Mexican marigold. So you find that when I shared in the morning how you can set up a successive organic garden, there's a section where you can put specialized just for pesticides. So what I've done here is I've got a section where I've put pesticides, and one of the pesticides which is readily available is Mexican marigold. So what you're seeing in my hands, this is Mexican marigold. It has got a very strong smell which is very offensive to the pests. So you can use it in the tomatoes. You can also use it in tomatoes, vegetables, and even in your citrus fruits. So some may be thinking that this is ganja or maybe marijuana, but it's not. This is Mexican marigold. Now this is how you prepare it. You can either, if you want to use it immediately, you can pound it, then put it in, soak it in water like for 8 hours. Or if you don't want, you can even soak it for like 1 day to 2 days. And it's not only a fertilizer, it's not only a pesticide, it also works as a fertilizer. And by so doing, you're going to reduce on the cost of pesticides, because you have a section where you make your own pesticides, and one of them is this Mexican marigold. So I'm going to get this one, I'm going to soak it in the water, a handful, and then I soak it in 15 liters of water. Then I can dilute with a 1:1 or even 1:2, because the smell is very, very strong. So have a blessed day, and stay blessed, and make sure that you use what you have to solve the problems that are facing you. You don't have to look for solutions that are not there. So if you can see with my son, we are actually working. Azaria, you see he's having a Mexican marigold in the hands. So we're harvesting, and we're going to be making our own pesticide. So have a great day and stay blessed. And this is the Radical Farmer, always making organic farming super easy.